Hello everyone, my name is Subhika Sri from 3C class. Now I am going to do the activity on food we eat.
Why do we eat food?
We eat food to get energy, to grow and to protect us from diseases.
Name some food items that we eat for breakfast.
Idli, dosa, pongal, vada, idiyappam, puri, chapati, bread, biscuit and milk. All these foods are made with wheat. These foods are made with rice. Rice is rich in carbohydrates. So these are all energy giving food.
Name some food items that we eat for dinner.
Idli, dosa and chapati.
Name the food items taken by old people.
Idli, dosa, pongal, idiyappam, bread, milk and porridge.
Name some food items that we eat for lunch.
Rice and dal, sambar rice, cooked vegetables, curd rice, biryani and fried rice. These are all South Indian food. Dosa, idli, vada, rice. This is Kerala food. Puttu and kadala curry. Appam is also Kerala food.
What do you understand by energy giving food?
We need energy for various purposes like studying, working, playing, etc. Carbohydrates and fats in the food provide us energy. These are all plant food. Oil, spices, cereals, fruits and vegetables. This is coconut oil. We get coconut oil from coconut. This is gingery oil. We get gingery oil from till. This is rice bran oil. We get rice bran oil from rice bran. These are all spices. Fennel, cloves, mustard, fenugreek, cumin seeds, star anise, cardamom, cinnamon, red chilli, coriander seeds, black pepper and turmeric. These are all millets. Little millets, pear millets and koda millet. These are all nuts. Groundnut, dates, badam, pista, cashew, dry grapes and walnut. They are all pulses. Horse gram, double bean, chana dal, moong dal, rajma, buttermilk, tur dal, urud dal, green gram, rice and wheat. These are all animal food. Milk, curd, cream, paneer, cheese, khova, butter. Meat, honey, chicken, egg, fish and prawn. Prawn and fish are seafood. Bees give us honey. Hen and duck give us egg. Hen, goat, cow give us meat. Cow, buffalo, goat give us milk.
What do you understand by bodybuilding food?
Our body demands essential nutrients for its growth and muscles. Protein are the nutrients which build the muscle and help it grow. I am going to sing a song of nutrients. Apple, carrot, banana, beans, blueberry, grapes, brinjal, apple, carrot, banana, beans, blueberry, grapes, brinjal. It's a food rainbow. It's a food rainbow. It's a food rainbow in the world. It's a food rainbow. It's a food rainbow. It's a food rainbow in the world. Red, tomatoes and apple. Orange, carrot and orange. Yellow, banana and lemon. Green, peas, beans and guava. Blue, blueberry. Indigo, grapes. Violet, brinjal. Apple, carrot, banana, beans, blueberry, grapes, brinjal. Apple, carrot, banana, beans, blueberry, grapes, brinjal. It's your food rainbow. It's your food rainbow. It's your food rainbow in the world. It's your food rainbow. It's your food rainbow. It's your food rainbow in the world. Carbohydrate, protein, vitamins, mineral, fat, fiber and water. Carbohydrate, protein, vitamins, mineral, fat, fiber and water. These are all nutrients. These are all nutrients. These are all nutrients required by our body. These are all nutrients. These are all nutrients. These are all nutrients required by our body. Carbohydrate, potatoes and sugarcane. Protein, peas, nuts and pulses. Vitamins, fruits and vegetables. Minerals, calcium and iron. Fats, milk, meat, butter and ghee. Fiber, beans, grains and pulses. Water, 8 glasses of water. Carbohydrate, protein, vitamins, mineral, fat, fiber and water. Carbohydrate, protein, vitamins, mineral, fat, fiber and water. These are all nutrients. These are all nutrients. These are all nutrients required by our body. These are all nutrients. These are all nutrients. These are all nutrients required by our body. Let us classify the junk food and healthy food. Chips is the junk food. Cashew is your healthy food. Cake is your junk food. Biscuit is your junk food. Dry grapes is your healthy food. Bottle gourd is your healthy food. Hamburger is your junk food. Ketchup is your junk food. Egg is your healthy food. Tomato is your healthy food. Cake is your junk food. Cool drink is your junk food. Ice cream is your junk food. Potato is your healthy food. Banana is your healthy food. Rice is your junk food. Fish is your healthy food. Snake gourd is your healthy food. Chocolate is your junk food. Carrot is your healthy food. Onion is your healthy food. Turnip is your healthy food. Noodles is your junk food. Badam is your healthy food. Pear is your healthy food. Capsicum is your healthy food. Beetroot is your healthy food. Dates is your healthy food. Bitter gourd is a healthy food.
What are the harmful effects caused by eating junk food?
Junk food is a raise in obesity, learning and memory problem. It can trigger digestive problem. It decreases your immunity. See some riddles from fruits and vegetables.
I wear a green crown, purple in color and oval in shape. Who am I?
Brinjal.
I am soft, round and red in color, having many seeds. Who am I?
Tomato.
I am a room that you can eat. Who am I?
Mushroom.
I am a ball of leaves. Who am I?
Cabbage.
I am long, orange in color and shaped like a cone. Who am I?
Carrot.
I am slender and long like the fingers of a lady. Who am I?
Lady's finger.
When you cut me up, I make you weep. Who am I?
Onion.
I am brown and grow under the ground. Who am I?
Potato.
I am long, white in color and shaped like a cone. Who am I?
Radish.
I am small, round and green and live with my brothers in a pot. Who am I?
Peas.
It looks green, it opens red. What you eat is red, but what you spit out is black. Who am I?
Watermelon.
I grow in bunches. Everyone loves me. I have thick peel. You can eat me raw. Who am I?
Banana.
I am a fruit. I am big. I am yellow inside and brown outside. You cannot eat my skin. Who am I?
Pineapple.
I grow very tall. I have a green cover. I have many little pieces. Animals and people love me. My shape is like a banana. Who am I?
Corn. We get fruits and vegetables from plants. So, these are called as plant food.
What do you understand by protective food?
The food rich in vitamins and minerals are called protective food. They help our body to increase ability to fight against diseases like COVID-19.
Why do we need water?
Water is needed to our body for digestion of food. It regulates our temperature and normal activities of our body.
Name some food items that we eat in tea time.
Biscuit, cake, tea, coffee, bonda and vada.
Which food is good for 4 months old baby?
Mother's milk is good for 4 months old baby.
Write the food items taken by a child.
Milk, juice and crunchy.
What did Lichan of Hong Kong love to eat?
He likes to eat snakes.
What did Thomas of Kerala love to eat?
He likes to eat boiled tapioca with curry made of coconut.
What are all nutrients?
Nutrients are carbohydrate, protein, vitamins, mineral, fat, fiber and water.
How do you feel when you are hungry?
We feel tired, weak, lazy and angry when we feel hungry.
Name some food items that can be eaten raw.
Carrot, tomato, onion, cucumber and radish.
Why do people of different place eat different food?
Because they eat food available at their place.
What are the 3 main groups of food?
energy-giving food, bodybuilding food, and protective food.
What is called balanced diet?
The food which contains all the nutrients in right amount needed by our body is called balanced diet.
What did Junie of Kashmir love to eat?
She loves to eat fish cooked in mustard oil.
What do you learn from the lesson Food We Eat?
To maintain good health, always prepare home food and say no to junk food. One should eat to live, not live to eat. Enjoy fresh fruit juices and eat vegetable wraps. Per day, women need 2000 calories and men need 2500 calories. Day-to-day life, every day eat fruits and vegetables. Have balanced diet. The food items have all the nutrients. A movement on your lips, a lifetime on the hips. So don't eat junk food. Thank you. See you next time.